Have you ever said Je t'écoute when you really meant I hear you? Well, the French probably smiled politely and judged you a little. In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between écouter and entendre, so you never mix them up again, with clear examples and even a little test at the end. Let's break it down. Entendre, to hear passively. Example, j'entends un bruit étrange. I hear a strange noise. You're not trying to hear it. It just happens. Écouter, to listen, actively. Example, j'écoute de la musique classique. I'm listening to classical music. You're making a choice to focus on the sound. If you can replace it with pay attention, it's probably écouter. More examples. Teacher, écoutez bien. Listen carefully. Not entendez bien. You're on a date. You say, Je t'écoute. I'm listening to you. Not je t'entends. I hear you, like noise. At home. J'entends les voisins crier. I hear the neighbors shouting. J'écoute un podcast. I'm listening to a podcast. Are you ready for a mini quiz? Let's test you. Fill in the blanks. A. De la musique le matin. Yes, j'écoute de la musique le matin. 2. Je, un bruit dans la rue. Oui, j'entends un bruit dans la rue. 3. Tu, ce que je dis. Écoutes-tu ce que je dis? If this video helped clear up écouter and entendre, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what French verbs confuse you the most. I'll turn them into the next video. See you there!